Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to get ChatGPT Plus subscription absolutely free. How many days we will access this subscription, what is the process and where is available. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start on my Mac screen. So first of all, I will show you my ChatGPT account. Previously last year, December, I upgrade my one of the ChatGPT account like Go, and that time is 1 year subscription I am receiving absolutely free. But this time, how many days we are receiving this subscription? It's very easy. I just simply open here one of my different ChatGPT account, open here, and this is my another account. Look at this here, top of the screen. Free offer is showing. If you are creating a new ChatGPT account, so definitely such a features you are receiving in your new ChatGPT account. So look at this here, free offer. If I click here in my profile menu, here is also available try plus free. If you click here, so look at this here. Previously they are providing entirely year like a 12-month plus subscription, but now they reduce the month and we are receiving 1 month ChatGPT subscription absolutely free. So we can claim this subscription and access 1 month absolutely free as a plus subscription. How to claim? It's easy. Click here in the claim for offer. Getting your plan is ready. Receiving the subscription, you need to just provide here credit card detail and afterwards get the subscription. So I just simply add here my credit card detail. I just simply add here my debit card, Visa debit card, not a credit card, and provide here the billing information. So I just simply add here my personal name, which country I am living, and my address, my credit card detail, billing address, and then get subscribe. And afterwards I just provide the authentication of my Revolt application using this process. And boom, after complete the subscription, look at this here, the plus showing here. If I say here the upgrade the plan, my plus is upgraded. Using this process, you can very easily get 1 month plus subscription absolutely free from ChatGPT. If you have any question related on this subscription, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.